this video, we will be replacing the high mount third brake light in this 2012 Ford F150. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, we can see our high mount third brake light location. And if we take a little closer look, we can see two fasteners that need to be removed. These fasteners are both Phillips head. And with those fasteners removed, we want to try and work off that housing assembly for our third brake light. And we're going to expose those wiring harnesses. And our high mount brake light is our center bulb location. We can rotate that counterclockwise and wiggle that out. And that bulb will then pull straight out. And I do like to compare my old bulb with my new bulb. This third brake light takes a bulb number 912. And we're going to install this with some cloth gloves so that we do not touch the glass of the bulb. And that new bulb will be installed just opposite of the removal process. And that can be given a quarter twist. And with our bulb replacement complete, we can reassemble our light housing. And lastly, we can test it out. And this repair is complete.